In this video, we will learn about do-while loops. A do-while loop is a variation of the while loop that we learned about. The syntax looks like this. First comes the word do, then the code we want to do inside of curly braces, while the condition inside of the parentheses is true, and finally a semicolon. Oftentimes you will see it formatted like this with the code inside of the body of do on a separate line and the while condition part on another line. For example, let's create an int variable named num that we assign a value of 0. Then we will have a do-while loop. Inside of the do part we will output num to the console, followed by a new line. After that we will increment num. For the while part we will specify a condition of num less than 2. In other words, while num is less than 2 we will execute the body of the do statement. When we run the code, notice that the values 0 and 1 are output to the console. One important call out here, and difference from the traditional while loop, is that the code inside of the do part will always be called at least once, even if the condition is false. For example, if we change the condition of the while loop to false, and then run the code, notice that 0 was still output to the console.